don't seem to overstand. Nigga, take a listen. Supposed to be studying game, you niggas supposed to listen.
Ain't a dollar sign tag on some piece of mind, Jack. We can take it off, we gon' get it right back. Hey, the thing did change around that can aggravate me. When you see me come up freeze, it should not be the same until the freedom bell rings. Those are not revolutionaries, there's a difference and not the same.
Are we flying? Are we lifting?
Turn him up.
Are we soaring against the wind? Are we different?
Hey y'all, so before this video starts, I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of context to the next clips because I didn't introduce anything, I didn't say anything to let you know what's going on. So I'm explaining right now. So basically, a couple weeks ago, my dad ended up getting this job because, you know, he's been driving trucks and stuff, right? But he's also like a videographer and a cameraman and stuff. So he was back in LA for a while and he was like saying hey to everybody he know here and like going visiting people and doing jobs and stuff. He knows a lot of people in Leimert Park, like a lot of people, like all the vendors and businesses and stuff. He goes and pops in there and talks to everybody. He's a busybody, just like me. He's a busybody. He be talking to everybody. He everywhere. One shop over there is called Soul Folks. They needed help at the block party to like transport their stuff there, put their stuff in their like little vendor area and sell their goods and promote their shop, right? So while also helping them, he took his big old C300, I don't know if it's a C300, but his big old camera and all the microphone production equipment and stuff. So after we finished helping them move their stuff, he started filming. I was supposed to be filming behind the scenes. Unfortunately, I lost my my batteries for my camera and the charger for those batteries, so I couldn't film. Like, it's been missing for months. So yeah, I was on my iPhone. It was called West Adams 4th Annual Block Party, and we were on the media team. I'm gonna show y'all the little, y'all see the little thingamajigga. But yeah, this was the little pass. I was just filming behind the scenes. I was also just filming whatever I wanted to film, all the performances and just everything, everyone and everybody. The sponsor of the event was this place called the sponsor of the event. Y'all, I need a quiet room. I can't, it's too much noise going on for me to film. The sponsor of the event, oh my god, I'm gonna explode. The sponsor of the event was called Delicious Pizza. It's because it's this place on the street and their business is called Delicious Pizza because they sell delicious pizza. So yeah, it was cool. A lot of the performers were like from older generations, so I was asking a lot of questions because I didn't know like who anybody was. It was this one guy. It feels so disrespectful saying this one guy because they was really like, this was a really important person. I sent my brother a video or a picture. I was like, who is this? And then he was like, oh, that's Rakeem. And I was like, I don't know who that is. Like, I obviously, like, I've heard the music and stuff before that they was playing, and I know it was like comes from previous times before me. Yeah, it was a lot of cool things taking place, a lot of things I filmed, a lot of things you guys will see in the following clips. And that's basically the backstory of the footage I'm about to show you. I just wanted to give you some context because you have no idea what's going on if I don't explain what's going on. So you finna see what's going on. Enjoy.
signed it, B. Okay, but it can't go in there. Might have to come back.
Tiger at the streets with no medals, with that metal left veterans. I can stack it up if I just hit a couple licks, I know. But if I get caught, I'm sure gon' miss when the kids pull up. When the kids pull up. I grew up on the west side, I've been trying to live my best life. You damn right, till the kids pull up.
Wait.
Yeah. Grandma cooking, making melodies and beats out the bullets and sirens. Grabbing mothers under her back, and they be honest smiling, baby, how I'm supposed to feed y'all up in this wild asylum. That's spiritual, but a must, it is a must for these haters to trust. And don't get it don't get it twisted. We with the business, but everything we do, yeah. Let it play. Hey. Hey, the faint and hard to say they don't believe it. My neck, it was no smut on my rep last time that I checked. I kind of want to, when you scratch that, I'm talking that. It's making rain, but could barely afford to pay attention. When you feel this, a weeping is greatness, I leave you.
You know what I'm saying? With Cat. You know what I'm saying? And his blessed, beautiful daughter behind the camera as well. QueenZiare, yeah. He's one of the three-headed dragons. You got Cat, Dre, and Quick. It's one of the three right here, living legends. You know what I'm saying?
Humbly, I'm grateful and appreciative of all who feel that I'm worthy as a voice and ambassador for our coast. We represented 50th year anniversary in the Bronx for the West Coast. Me, Snoop, and Dre. I mean, well, the spirit of Dre, but me, Dre, and me, Cube, and Snoop Dogg. We did it big out there with the rest of the family from different other reasons. I wish we could have had the Bay as well there. I didn't see anyone there from the Bay.
I see you around, bro. I see you over there.
Yes, sir.
Good man.
El cielo ha llegado y que me ha colmado de dicha.
foot up. They thinking like, who is this nigga? Put his foot up. That's what do it. It's like this, you know. Look at this nigga lounging like, dog. He must be with Snoop and them.
Grandmother lived right down the street. This neighborhood.
Y'all just wanna act like you don't see it. Disrespect the woman, feed your ego, cause it's easy. Talk a little, that's so easy. Real men stand for something, but y'all only leaning out.
Thank you.
If you don't seem to overstand, nigga, take a listen. Supposed to be studying game, you niggas supposed to listen.
You don't stop. I rock on, baby, never to the boogie, bang, bang, the boogie, bang. Now,
Smoke. Did y'all love Battle Cat?
Oh.
Just because. First of all, come on, bring that up just a little bit more. Bring it up. Bring it up. There it is. Ha! Is that smacking? Smash on them. Smash on them. Dash on them. Spike all the way left and hit the gas on them. Do what your mama taught you and head off top. Deliver by the last pink toe horses with the afro and the crop top. And jeans. With a side tail key to a dog jeans.
Have you ever seen a show where fellas on the microphone?
Like this. Let me hear you say ho. Say ho, ho. Say yeah. Yeah. Check it. I was a fade before I became a team. Held your microphone instead of cold. I ice the music all routine. When it's my activate, then change around that can aggravate me. When you see me come up freeze. Thinking I'm a new jack. Only if they do that. They who think wrong or they who can't do that. Style that I'm doing, they might ruin. Padding the paragraph, making sure you and your whole feet. You know what I mean? We call it the A game. When you on your A game good. This is one of them cities you gotta bring your best. So I always appreciated LA and the way y'all represented hip hop and the way y'all represented yourself. Y'all know what this is, right?
Trying to make some money up in
This right here make the world feel good. I need everybody to put your money. What is this, y'all? What up?
Let's go.
Yeah. It's got two steps. Say money. Come on. Say money. Come on.
Spit like a llama in pajamas with another suit. On my mama, I ain't mad at you. I'm too busy getting busy with a flip for his tangible. Don't so flammable. I ain't come to play with your Cinderella. I came to
Single to Inglewood. Super good. Eagles. I told him I'm the one for the job, no promise. And I'm serious, period, no promise. Wanna enjoy my family and my friends with no drama. And stack till I'm delirious, period. No. Ain't a dollar sign tag on some piece of mind, Jack. We can take a loss, we gon' get it right back. Hey, we can take a loss, we gon' get it right. We can take a loss, we gon' get it right. Listen, I can be your boss, put it at me, go. Like me, no, I used to do this, get busted for free, though. I still do this, love, but add another zero. A hero in my city, I'm Diddy, mixed with Rico. Strong, I throw this dick at my lady like it's a free throw. Long time, me love you. Dying by hitting struggle with poem rhymes, I bubble. Grind these ain't never seen nothing like me. Way up, who's wrong? Inglewood, we can do some. Rocky top. Made fans of our disbelievers. Damn, I'm a different breed. Lift my hands and extend my reach. Kiss my grandma. Bend my knees, thank the Lord for the gift of peace. I'm just getting started though. I want to bring my brother out to the stage right now. His name is Davion Ferris. Y'all make some noise. Are we flying? Are we lifting? Turn him up. Are we soaring against the wind? Are we different? Are we rocking? Will. It's just a quiz from God. This is all a test. Oh yes. The time is gonna be different. I'ma bless the world with honest quotes in every sentence and get better every moment. Y'all been lovely. You feeling like who? Nobody. These niggas finally understand when I land. I'm the man. Every kid need a hero. I'm trying to be Uncle Stanley. R.I.P. All I see is concrete. It should not be the same until the freedom bell rings. Lost and revolutionaries, there's a difference and not the same. We report now for the king.
It's 10:30. I'm ready to go home. I'm tired. I'm hungry. My feet hurt. I had a good day, but I'm ready to retire. I'm done, y'all.